So we are starting to renovate. This video is about the renovation of the upstairs, a little bit of outside, and seeing my brother fail with his skateboard tricks. Okay, so today we're starting with the upstairs. We're going to start with fixing all of these cracks that you can see over here and painting the entire thing. And then we're going to move to the downstairs. So let's start the day.
זה כאילו אבל הכל
So I wanted to stop this to take a moment and say a few words about my grandfather that passed away on the 11th. He was one of the happiest people that I've known, always optimistic. The amount of knowledge that he had about irrelevant topics was incredible, and he always knew what to do to drive my grandmother mad. I'm going to miss him dearly, and I will never forget him. Back to the video. Prep work is over. Let's start painting. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is the first in the series of remodeling and fixing up the house. I'm going to see you in the next one. Have a lovely day.